Hello friends, I hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to discuss about the CDSCO. So without any further delay, let's start this lecture. So many of us in India have heard about the CDSCO and they have got confused about its role and relation when it's come with the DCGI. What is the CDSCO? CDSCO stands for the Central Drug Standard Control Organization. Okay, so for knowing more detail, let's go deep into a lecture. This CDSO is an Indian national regulatory body of the cosmetic, pharmaceutical and medical devices. It serves a similar function to the European Medicine Agency of the European Union, the PMDA of Japan, the Food and Drug Administration of the United States, the Medicine and Healthcare Product Regulatory Agency of the United Kingdom, the National Medicine Product Administration of China. The Central Drug Standard Control Organization is the central drug authority for discharging the function assigned to the central government under the Drugs and the Cosmetic Acts. This CDSCO under Directorate General of Health Services, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India is the National Regulatory Authority of India. Its headquarters is located in FDA Bhawan at Kotla Road, New Delhi. Okay. Now let's discuss what are their zonal offices. So CDSCO has 6 zonal offices, 7 sub-zonal offices, 13 port offices and 7 laboratories under its control spread across India. Now let's discuss what are the roles and the responsibility of the CDSCO. So under the Drugs and the Cosmetic Act, CDSCO is responsible for the approval of new drugs, second, conduct of clinical trials, third, laying down the standards for the drugs, fourth, control over the quality of imported drugs in the country, fifth, coordination of the activities with the State Drug Control Organization by providing expert advice with a view of bringing about the uniformity in the enforcement of drug and cosmetic acts. Okay. Within the CDSCO, the Drug Controller General of India regulates the pharmaceutical and medical devices and its positioning within the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. This DCGI is advised by the Drug Technical Advisory Board DTAB and the Drug Consultant Committee, which is called as DCC, divided into an office. Each one carry out the pre-licensing and the post-licensing inspections, post-marketing surveillance and the drug recalls. Currently, Dr. Vijay Somania is the current Drug Controller General of India. Now, what are the divisions in the CDSCO? CDSCO has mainly 8 divisions. The first one is the BA and BE. Second is biologies. Third is the clinical trial. Fourth, cosmetic. Fifth, DTAB and DCC. Sixth, new drugs. Seventh, import and registration. Eighth, medical device and diagnostics. Okay. So, I hope you must have got an overview what is the CDSCO, what are its roles and responsibilities, where its headquarters is listed. So now we are going to speak about the differences between the DCGI and the CDSCO. So the Drug Controller General of India is the Directorate of the department within the Government of India, Central Drug Standard Control Organization, that is responsible for approving the license for the prescribed category of the drugs in India, whereas including the blood and the blood components, intravenous fluids, vaccination and serum, whereas an Indian regulatory authority for the pharma and medical devices control to give the permission of a clinical trial in India. India Drug Controller General is accountable to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Now, this DCGI establishes the standards and consistency requirement for the manufacture, sale, import and distribution of drugs in India, whereas CDSO comes under the Directorate General of Health and Services, which is a Ministry of Health and Family Welfare of the Government of India. The Central Drug Standard Control Organization is responsible for ensuring the consistency of the medicines, the cosmetics in the country and approving of the new product and overseeing the clinical trials. Thank you.